We got a 2024 Ford Mustang GT. Came in, it was factory. We've taken all the factory stuff off, and he brought us a Borla ATAK catback system. So we installed that. So factory converter there, factory converter over there. And then this is where the Borla system starts right here. So they have adapters and everything that Borla's made to fit in right there. Goes back into the factory. Front clamps, X-pipe, intermediate, some small little baby resonators right there, and then the Borla ATAK mufflers right there and right there. Kind of come with black tips as well on each side. That's the way it's set up on the back right there. Fit up well too. Didn't have any issues with the Borla kit, so appreciate them for holding it down. And then here's all the old stuff, old stock muffler resonator right there. And then here's the part number on the Borla right there. There that is right there. We'll drop it down and let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, 2024 Mustang GT with the Borla ATAK catback system. Go ahead. Sound decibels on idle is like 96, 97. All right, one more time. Let you guys hear it on the inside. All right, 2024 Ford Mustang 5.0, the Borla ATAK catback.